Glass Hut from New Balance, The Ordinary, Fix My Curls from Faye Beauty, Dot and Key, one more package, Elf again in the house, then Kiehl's with Sebamed from Tata Clicks from Love Vienna, 52 Sundays, Victoria Beckham X Bioderma. Brie Matcha. Faye loves me. I love Faye again from Faye. Not sponsored me. Dot and Key again. Tipsy Beauty. Fix My Curl from Kneeling It and Call etc. Next is Dot and Key. When they turned 7, they sent me this huge box which says object in the mirror is the OG Pookie. ये ऐसे खुलता है. Look at that. We have this cute little charm, the strawberry 10% niacinamide serum, cherry lip balm, oil-free moisturizer, blemish clearing gel face wash. We have sunscreen, the liquid water. That's not it. That is not it because I'll tell you why. After I recorded the first bit of this video, Dot & Key sent me one more package. Sent me their strawberry bright 10% niacinamide face serum. I think this is my sign I should really start using this. Juicy Chemistry ka serum combo, I think. They have vitamin C serum, alpha arbutin plus D-Jalic serum. Then they have lactic acid plus flowers acid serum. अरे भाई बाहर नहीं आ रहा ये. That's the packaging. उसी बीच में ये भी एक हमारे पास आया, which is from Faye Beauty. It is their new launch of kajal. And okay, wait, something very fun in this PR is they've sent me this cookie of Evil Eye and they've sent me this card जिसके पीछे all types of Evil Eye के meanings लिखे हैं. These are their new kajals and I'll swatch them for you. This is brown. This is black. From New Balance ka store event that we went to, and they've given me this bottle. It's glass bottle with this thermo thing on it. The reality is I use this every day. मैंने उसको box में डाल के रखा तुम लोगों को दिखाने के लिए. I'll try my best to put all the product links in the description. So if आपको कोई भी चीज़ पसंद आती है या review से आपको कुछ लगता है कि I really wanted to buy this and I've got my chance through this review, I can get it. So you just tap it in there. Okay, this is from Fix My Curls. Look, there's something new in this. Okay, curl jelly activators spray. अब मुझे पता नहीं है क्या है. I'll have to look it up. Oops. Ooh. Did I break it? Okay. And they've sent their new wax stick. ये भी मैं काफ़ी दिनों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. You want me to use it for you right now? Get that. वो जो Amazon वाली wax stick आती है ना, it is similar to that, but I think there was nothing else in the market than that one wax stick, which was like good, reliable, and pocket friendly. Sunglass Hut. We got sunglasses of Ray-Ban. I don't like mine. I'm again gonna give these away to someone, but let me show it to you. Cool, right? Cool. Up next is The Ordinary. This is glycolic serum and this is multi-peptide serum for hair density. Glycolic serum is something that is very famous for its all ingredients and all usage. I'm already using one. Like, how do you tell if it's a real product or a fake product is this corner where it says peel. You peel it off here, you can get through the guide of multi-peptide serum for hair density, which I think I need actually right now in this weather. I'm going to start using this. I'm going to start reviewing this for sure. I have Elf again in the house. इसमें से एक मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा है फिलहाल. एक यहीं पर पड़ा है और ये वाला मैं ऑलरेडी यूज़ करती हूँ. 3-4 बार मेरे हाथ से गिर चुका है तो ये टूट भी चुका है. बट इवन अदरवाइज आई थिंक इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड ब्रिटल क्योंकि दिस हैज़ बीन इन द बॉक्स सिंस अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम और ये अंदर पड़ा है ये रह के ये टूट चुका है. मतलब let me show it to you. See यार टूट गया है ये. Then Kiehl's sent me their clearly corrective dark spot solution serum. I think I should start believing in serum theory. Recently worked with Sebamed shampoo and we got cleansing foam face wash, the anti-dandruff shampoo, lip defense which has SPF 30. Thank you, Sebamed. This is my supply of not 2 summers but 2 whole years. This is from Tata Clicks event. मैं इसमें से 2-3 दे भी चुकी हूँ, 2-3 यूज़ भी कर चुकी हूँ. This is Bioderma का SPF 100 tinted plum का rice water niacinamide therapies vegan moisturizer sunscreen with SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. 4 बार plus है इस पे. Face Shop का है ये. Boost, I've used this, I tried this, but it has a lot of white cast. Natural Sun Eco का sunscreen. Then we also got this cute little thermo sunflower crochet charm. We also bedazzled one sunscreen there. Plum ka niacinamide moisturizer, which again my mom took. We got Requil ka tinted sunscreen with SPF 50. Asaya's milk sunscreen. We also got these Purna gummies. This is for metabolism, wellness and beauty in the flavor mango. So don't believe in gummies anymore because once you start them, the thing is you can't go back. There's no going back. I have tried that with melatonin gummies and boy, it took me so much to get back to my sleep schedule. This is from Love Vienna. This is a small business on Instagram. They've sent me a couple of tops and dresses, which I by mistakenly asked in XS. So, because how am I supposed to fit in this? This I can, okay, I understand. This something is okay. How do I fit in that? 52 Sundays, they've sent me their mango lip balm. It's so sleek. It's magnetic. Smells like little beeswax and very little mango. Okay, what the coolest part about this is Victoria Beckham X Bioderma. Excuse the condition of this bag, थोड़ी चपटी हो गई है, पर ठीक है. Is micellar water. I've heard so much about this in the Western. And दूसरा is this, पढ़ने नहीं आ रहा है, cleansing foaming gel. साना मल्होत्रा की new brand आई है matcha की, Brie matcha. We attended that and then we got this matcha. But I'm over my matcha phase, so I'm gonna give this away to Isha. I'm keeping this for her. जब मुझे मिलेगी तब मैं उसको दे दूँगी. अब मिली नहीं है मुझसे बहुत दिनों से. Isha, when are you meeting me? Everyone ask Isha in the comments when is she gonna meet me. Faye loves me. I love Faye. Faye again. Evening exfoliator. Look. Thank God it was not a glass bottle. I hope you still love me, Faye. Smells like rose water. Too many lip liners and lip glosses. This is in the shade Blooming. Interesting. Thriving. Ooh. This one is Lifeline. Headline. Top line. This is very dark. I have one more package from Faye. They are not sponsored me. Bloodline. Borderline. This one. तो मैं चश्मा उतार क्यों नहीं रही हूँ? I think it's cooler that way. Let me give you swatches of these bullet lipsticks. Wholesome. Bougie. Awkward. जो मैं कभी नहीं होती. Dot & Key again. They've sent their slushy, icy slushies. था यहाँ पे लिप ग्लॉस था जो मेरी बहन उठा चुकी है. यहाँ पे चार्म था, वो पता नहीं कहाँ गया. अब यहाँ पे एक बीच में मॉइस्चराइजर बचा है. Watermelon cooling icy gel moisturizer. This is such a cute packaging. We have Tipsy Beauty. Gloss लगाया हुआ है अभी. This is from Tipsy Beauties in the shade Coconut Crumb. Then we have these two shades here. एक shade मुझसे गुम हो चुका है, एक shade कहीं और पड़ा है जहाँ पे मैं अभी जा नहीं सकती. But let me give you a swatch of Raspberry Lollipop. Pout Polish. Like to give names. This is cute. Oh, they've also sent this road inspired thingy. You can stick it on your phone. Fix my curls again. You cleanse your curly hair with the shampoo. You condition your curls with their shampoo. Then you use their leave-in treatment, like leave-in cream, to curl your hair. Then you use their hair gel to curl your hair again. Amazing. And I love the popsicle inspired packaging. Such a fun color. It's from Nailing It. They sent me these Chatak yellow press-on nails. The invitation was super cool. You had to like scratch it either piche to find out where the event is, where the party is, and everything that's gonna happen at the party. And they sent me this little cup with the branding. Last box and the very most special one, which is from this brand called Etc. They've sent me 2 bags. Da, 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 da. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful bag. I have not gotten a chance to use this bag, but I can't wait to style this. One more bag. Look at that. Look at this. Studs all over. You and it is so spacious. ये मैंने एक दो बार ली है. बहुत सारी चीज़ चली जाती है इसके अंदर. You can also attach your zip to it. इसके साथ उन्होंने बेल्ट भेजी है, which is somewhere now I can't find it. But I love me bags. I love my bags collection, and I think that's about it. I hope this helps you in some way and doesn't stop you from posting that reel anymore, or maybe clear all your drafts. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh wait, one sec. I told you I'm gonna do a smudge. The glitter is, by the way, still on, but let me try budging the Kylie lip liner for you. Boy, oh boy, paisa vasool. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.